everyone, welcome back to the Arizona Science Center Facebook page for our 12:30 live demonstration. My name is Emma and I'm super excited to be here with you today, and we are going to be talking about the science of light. So we're going to start off with asking the question of what is light? Do any of you know what is light? Maybe what does it do for you? Just think about what is light. If you think you know, feel free to put it into the comments. Light is a form of energy made up of something called photons. Light is really helpful because it helps us to see. I have ceiling lights on me right now, allowing you to see me through the camera. Your device that you are using to view this is probably giving off light as well. Those are two examples of light sources. So that light that we're looking at, those photons move in what's called wavelengths. That's kind of a weird concept, so we can use this slinky to see what that means. So our light travels, those photons travel in wavelengths. Those different wavelengths can actually cause the colors that we see. And those wavelengths, when they hit an object, if they can go through them, then we can see the light on the other side. If it can't pass through the object, then we're not going to be able to see the light on the other side. So that's what today's experiment is going to be about, is finding out what kind of objects those wavelengths can pass through. The first definition, there's three key words. The first one is transparent. So if light can pass through freely through an object, it is called transparent. It's transparency. If light can kind of get through, but not all of it, it's going to be called translucent. So we have transparent, can get all the way through. Translucent, not quite all the way there. And lastly, what's it called when light can't get through at all? It's called opaque. So those are our three words that we are going to be testing out today. For this experiment, all you need is a light source. I'm going to be using a flashlight. You can use whatever you have at home. And then you're going to need a variety of different materials to test out whether or not it's transparent, translucent, or opaque. Let's go ahead and find out. The first one I want to test is this plastic wrap. What do you guys think? Do you think that the light is going to be able to pass through this plastic wrap? Let's find out. I'm going to try not to shine my light at you guys because I don't think that'd be pleasant, but please forgive me if I do. Okay, so I'm going to hold up my light source to, yep, it looks like the light source is not being hindered at all. I don't know if you can see it on the table, by this plastic wrap. That means the plastic wrap is transparent. So that means it can pass all the way through. It's not being distorted. The wavelengths can go through it. So let's try a different object. Let's try this piece of cardboard. What do you guys think? Do you think that this cardboard is transparent, the light can pass through, translucent, where some of it can, but not all of it, or opaque, where none of the light is going to pass through? If you think you know, put it in the comments. Let's go ahead and test it out. None of it is passing through. So, what would cardboard be? Think about those three words. Is it transparent, translucent, or opaque? It's opaque, that's right. Okay, so we know plastic wrap is transparent. We know that cardboard is opaque. Let's do another one. Let's try this paper towel. What do you guys think? Is my paper towel going to be transparent, translucent, or opaque? Let's grab our light source and find out. Okay. I'm not really seeing the light on the table or my hand unless I get really close. What do you guys think? Opaque. Debbie thinks it's opaque. I can kind of see. Can you guys see the light? Yeah, it's still coming through a little bit. So I would say that this paper towel is translucent. We have some of the light coming through, but not quite all of it. So now we have seen all three as an example. The plastic wrap, which is clear, is transparent. Our cardboard is opaque. And our paper towel is translucent. So some of the light comes through, but not all of it. Let's go ahead and do one more experiment. We're gonna use this black fabric. So what do you guys think? Do you think that this is gonna be transparent, translucent, or opaque? What do you guys think? It's fabric and it's dark. What do we think? Oh, Debbie put opaque for the cardboard. Okay, Debbie, you definitely got it. Okay, so let's test our fabric. Again, I'm trying not to. So light is definitely coming through, but not very well. I can't see it on the table, can't see it on my hand. So that means it is translucent. So it's being distorted, it's not going all the way through. I wonder if we can make this black fabric opaque. I just had it flat against here, but I wonder what would happen if I folded the fabric up so it had more layers. Let's go ahead and test it out. Now you can't see the light. So I can change whether or not this fabric is transparent, translucent, or opaque by changing the amount of it that I have. So I was able to go from being translucent, where I have just a little, I can see a little bit of it, to opaque by layering it. Okay, awesome. Do we think we understand what translucent, transparent, and opaque are? I think you guys got it now. I would love for you guys to, around your own homes, run this experiment with different materials you have. Maybe a cup of water, maybe some metal, plastic, anything you have at home. Take your light source and test out whether or not light can pass through. If you'd like to learn and explore more resources about the science of light, please check out our new platform, Connect at azscience.org. Or if you're just looking for other fun science activities and DIYs, feel free to go to our website, azscience.org, and check all of that out. Otherwise, it was so much fun exploring with you today, and we will see you tomorrow for our next Facebook Live. Bye, everyone.